Good morning to you all.
Morning.
Well, this is Mahmoud Markazi, and I'm here to speak few lines about friendship. Everybody knows that friendship is one of the most important issue in one's life. Friendship is one of the most important issue in everyone's life, and friendship is a precious gift of Allah for everyone, and friendship is also necessary for us everyone. And there is a great person. Hazrat Ali radiallahu ta'ala said, the poor is one who does not have any friend. The poor is one who does not have any friend. You have a lot of money. You have a lot of money, you have a lot of cars, you have 2, 3 buildings, and there are many employees, there are many workers, they all are working under you. But you don't have a true friend who can understand you, who can feel your problem, who can stay with you in a problem. So you are not rich. You are a poorest man all around over the world. That is important. So friendship is very important in everyone's life nowadays, according to me. And you don't have cars. Suppose that you don't have cars, you don't have money, you don't have buildings, you don't have 2, 3 employees. You have no any company, but you have only one true friend who can understand you, who can understand your feelings, who can understand your problems, who can stay with you in your problems. So a richest man of the world, because you have a true friend who can understand you, who can understand your feelings, who can cooperate with you. So friendship is a very essential, is a very important for everyone. But there is a condition: which type of friend we should have. Which type of friend we should have, because our life depends on our friend, our character, our behavior, what is my way of speaking, what is my style of working. Okay, so my character and my behavior, these all are depend on our friendship, which type of friend we have. So suppose that you have a good friend, you have a good friend, you have a sensitive friend, you have a mentality friend, and you have a positive thoughts friends. So your thoughts will be also positive, because you are spending your life with a positive man, you are spending your life with a positive thoughts, you are spending your life with a sensitive man. Sensitive man. So our life depends on our friendship, which type of friend we have. uh, I don't want to go speak more and more, and I don't want to kill your time, but I would like to mention only one thing, that there are many people, there are a lot of people, in your village, in your area, in your schools, college, coachings, everywhere, anywhere at all, everywhere, wherever you go, there is no one, that who doesn't have friend. Everybody has friend. Everybody has friend. 2 friends, 3 friends, 4 friends, 10 friends. But what is the meaning of friendship? What is the meaning of friendship? Only talking and then calling her, Jilani, where are you? I am going to playing PUBG and please come and join. That's not meaning of friendship. Hey Mahmood, I am going to getting enjoy. I am going to play cricket. Where are you? Just come in 5 minutes. That's not meaning of friendship. Hey Mahmoud, where are you? We all are waiting. Where are you? Please come. We are waiting for you and party is going to start. That's not meaning of friendship. The actual fact of friendship is that if you love someone, so you will think about his future, which is correct, which is wrong, which is correct, which is incorrect, which is suitable and which is uncomfortable for him. Any time, always you will think about his future, about your future. Suppose that Jilani sir is my friend. Okay, so if Jilani sir loves with me, then he should think about my future. He should think about my career. He should think about my behavior. He should think about my good character. Hey Mahmoud, you are committing mistake. You should not do like this. Hey Mahmoud, you are committing mistake. You are diverting your goal. Hey Mahmoud, I'm looking for 2, 3 days that you are diverting, and you are going in a wrong way. So it's not a good habit. You should forgive it. It's actual fact of friendship. But nowadays, what is happening? I'm committing mistake. I'm going in a wrong way, but my friend promoting. Yes, no matter. Don't worry. I'm your friend. I'll never share with anyone. Don't worry. I'll never share with anyone. And I'm looking that guy is my friend. He will never share my problems with anyone without fearing I'm committing mistake, and doing mistake again and again. So that's not fact of friendship. That's not fact of friendship. Your life can change through the friendship. A friend can change your life, and you can change your life, your friend's life. You can change. So friendship, we all are only listening that friendship is essential. Friendship is a very important in one's life. It's very important. Schools, colleges, universities, coaching classes, anywhere. We are just making friendship. Yeah, hello, how are you? I'm fine. So what's your name? My name is Pankaj. Yeah, nice to meet you. Please give your number and night that chat. Have you taken breakfast? No. So what are you doing? I'm playing PUBG. So what's your PUBG ID? Yeah, right. Just please come. So that's not fact of friendship. If you love someone, you will have to think about his future. If you love from the bottom of the heart, you will have to care about his future. You will have to care about his career. You will have to care about his character and behavior. That's fact of friendship. So I don't want to kill your time, and I'm not going to long my speech because when I come here and start speaking, then I don't know why and what's from where is catching. Most my speech is going too long and long. But today I'm control myself, okay, and I don't want to kill your time. But in the end of my speech, I would like to mention only one thing, that if you want to succeed in your life, if you want to achieve something in your life, so you will have to ignore two things: love and friendship. Love and friendship. Don't care that I'm true lover. I love you. I can do anything for you. You can judge me. I love you from bottom of the heart. You can judge me. I can do anything for you. That's not build power. If you have a power, so you can do something. Just try to show off. I have ability. I can do something. I can do something for my life. If you have power, if you have ability, if you have sensitive, so you have to do something for you, not for other. If you are doing something for you, so you think that you are doing something for your friend. If you are achieving your goal, so suppose that you are helping to your friend, and only calls boasting, I can do anything for you, I can do anything, you can judge me, I can't live without you. That's fake love. If you love someone from bottom of the heart, then you care. Hello, what's time? Yeah, it's 10 p.m. So it's study time, so please pick up the phone. I'll call you after half an hour. Yeah, okay, that's okay, bye. That's true love. But nowadays, where are you? Why are you not picking my call? Where have you been? You don't reply my SMS. Where are you? Where have you been? We are starting this calling. That's not love. It's just time pass. And that's happening. And friendship, just care about your friend. Just think about your friend's future. That's true friendship. So okay, I would like to finish my topic. If I have spoken something wrong during my speech, so you can correct the misword what I have spoken during my speech. So okay, thanks for listening.
आप सभी आदरणीय श्रोता बंधुओं को हमारा सप्रेम नमस्कार, आदाब, सलाम।